Hello, I'm Cindy, your Get Set Up Guide. More than 26,000 victims of phishing scams were reported in 2018. Cybercriminals use phishing emails in an attempt to trick you into giving them your personal login information to compromise your data, provide a backdoor for hackers to get into your network, or plant ransomware on your computer. In this class, you'll learn how to identify a phishing email, and we'll even discuss a popular television star that fell victim to a phishing email to the tune of $388,000. We'll also talk about ransomware, what it is, and what happens when you fall victim to this attack. Lastly, we'll discuss new methods that criminals use to steal your data using text messages. And we'll even have an informative discussion about people we know in our own lives that may have fallen victim to cyber scams. This class will teach you how to protect yourself from email scams and how to stay safe in today's digital world. So come join our class, learn to protect yourself from cyber criminals, and share experiences with other class members to help us all stay safe.